Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to use Apple CarPlay in Lexus NX 300 Easy Method. Start by plugging your iPhone into the USB port labeled with a phone icon and use an Apple-certified Lightning cable. Unlock your phone and accept CarPlay permissions when the prompt appears. If CarPlay does not start, toggle Bluetooth and restart the infotainment system. Finally, select Apple CarPlay from the Lexus menu and arrange apps for safe, quick access while driving. Wired CarPlay gives the most reliable connection, so plug in for navigation and music without interruptions. Wireless CarPlay works well for light use, but it requires Bluetooth pairing and a Wi-Fi handoff, which can be finicky. If you experience dropouts, switch to a certified cable and a different USB port. Also, disable low power mode on your iPhone to keep audio and messages flowing during longer drives. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tech tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a great pick for busy drivers who want a cleaner home with voice control and smart mapping, and it feels oddly satisfying to come back to after a long trip. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Arrange apps in iPhone settings under General, then CarPlay, so your navigation app is front and center for quick access. Rely on Siri for hands-free directions, calls, messages, and music control to keep your eyes on the road. Turn on Do Not Disturb while driving to limit interruptions and reduce notification clutter. Practice voice commands before you start driving, so interactions feel natural and safe while on the move.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.